here, Habana, Tijuana, Billie Bourdain. It's my first pop-up in Tijuana, Mexico. Stay tuned. We got the ribs, barbecue chicken, garlic mashed potatoes, 6 cheese, jalapeno, macaroni and cheese. Yo, let me know how it is.
Bro, finger licking good. I'll be right back.
How is it? Today was the first pop-up in Tijuana at Habana, Tijuana here in Mexico. It was a successful day. I had about 25 orders. I did beef ribs, chicken, barbecue chicken, marinated for 24 hours. I did jalapeno 6 cheese macaroni, and I did garlic mashed potatoes. Like I said, it was a dope event. I appreciate everybody for coming out and supporting me. Stay tuned. Next month we're coming back.